Welcome to Tech Nana, and we're opening with something so absurdly over the top that the moment you hear it, you'll either laugh or immediately want one. The BMW Theatre Screen is a motorized 31.3-inch 8K panel that descends from the rear ceiling of the i7, paired with Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound and full 5G connectivity, a private cinema inside a moving car. Before we go further, hit like, subscribe, and send this to the one person who says cars are just for driving. The Theatre Screen package adds $4,750 to the i7. Imagine a device that watches every corner you take on track, builds your theoretically fastest possible lap, and then tells you in real time exactly where you're losing time. That's the Garmin Catalyst. It mounts in your cockpit, uses 10 Hz multi-G NSS positioning to stitch your best individual sector times into a true optimal lap, and delivers live audio coaching through Bluetooth corner by corner. Retail is $999, with occasional drops to $799. You tap your phone once, and your entire car interior shifts into multicolored pulsing lights synced to your music. Not a luxury trim package, just a $30 LED strip. The Govee H7090 uses RGBIC technology, so each strip section displays a completely different color simultaneously, with 30 scene modes controlled through the Govee Home app. Somewhere between $21 and $35 depending on retailer, the cheapest way to make any car look like you spent $300 more. Someone hits your parked car and drives off, without footage. That's just a bill you're paying alone. The REDTIGER F7NP records 4K front and 2.5K rear, includes a free 32GB card, GPS stamps every clip, and watches in 24-hour parking mode even with the engine off. Full retail is $130, frequently dropping to $85. And the next one will make you question why this isn't built into every car already. What if your speed, navigation, and alerts were projected onto your windshield, so your eyes never left the road? Not once. Universal Holographic HUD displays connect through OBD2 or GPS and project navigation, speed, and warnings directly in your natural line of sight. Entry-level units start at $29, one of the most affordable safety upgrades on this entire list. It's early morning, you're already late, and your tire pressure light just came on. This is exactly what the GOOLOO GT160 was built for. Its dual-cylinder design inflates a car tire from 30 to 36 psi in 27 seconds and doubles as a 10,000 mAh power bank with a built-in LED flashlight. Regular retail is $79.99, with promotional drops to $59, 3 tools in one device. This one is either pure genius or total overkill. There is genuinely no middle ground. Holoride syncs a VR headset to your car's live motion data, so the virtual world physically reacts to every turn and brake, turning backseat boredom into an immersive game with dramatically reduced motion sickness. The standalone retrofit device is $199, with the full HTC Vive Flow bundle running around $799. What if your backup camera charged itself from sunlight, transmitted wirelessly, and lasted months on a single full charge? Solar wireless cameras like the Autovox Solar 3A and Type S transmit a clear feed to a dashboard monitor or smartphone app with up to a 140-degree viewing angle, zero wiring required. The Type S model with a 5-inch monitor retails at around $127. No drilling, no installer, no drama. You're parked in 40-degree heat, engine off, and within 5 minutes your car is genuinely cold. Not slightly less suffocating, actually cold. The EcoFlow Wave 2 delivers 5,100 BTU of cooling and 6,100 BTU of heating with zero installation, powered by its own battery, solar, or a car adapter. Priced at $1,299 on the official EcoFlow store. Not cheap, but nothing in this category comes close. Most HUD gadgets feel like a gimmick. A plastic wedge that vibrates loose on your dashboard and ends up in the glove box forever. The HUDWAY glass projects your navigation and speed from your phone onto precision-angled glass at a focal distance, matching where your eyes naturally sit while driving. It comes with app promo codes included, retails at around $49. Clean, honest, and genuinely well designed. Before you skip this thinking it's just another dash cam, this one records true 4K and physically rotates 360 degrees, so you can point it at the cabin whenever needed. The VAVA 4K includes built-in Wi-Fi for direct phone transfers, a vibration-triggered parking monitor, and supports memory cards up to 256 GB with automatic loop recording. Originally $180, it now trades between $85 and $160. Have you ever thought about what you're actually breathing inside your car during slow city traffic, with exhaust fumes cycling in from every direction? The Xiaomi Car Air Purifier cleans cabin air in 3 to 7 minutes using a dual-fan recycling system, runs at 42 decibels in silent mode, and sends air quality alerts to the MI Home app. It mounts on the headrest to keep your sightlines clear, priced between $30 and $60. One of the few gadgets here that affects your health every single day. Your car gets scratched in a parking lot while you were inside. Happened on the rear side. Your dash cam only faced forward, and you walked out to damage and zero evidence. The 70 My Dash Cam Omni uses a built-in stepper motor to rotate the lens 340 degrees with f1.5 aperture night performance and AI motion detection that only records when something actually triggers it. Starting at around $99 with GPS and voice control included, the most complete single-unit parking security solution on this list. You've seen that cinematic third-person car footage online, the impossible-looking angle hugging the hood from outside. The Insta36 triple suction cup car mount uses a triangular 3-cup structure with up to 20 kilograms of suction force per cup. The dual mount starts at $49.